Stuck with a tiny screen? Cube 2 Pro, the first easy-to-store Android TV projector, is here. With a 230-degree gimbal stand, top seamless calibration, and built-in Android TV, it's designed for anyone who wants tech that blends elegance into their life. Stows like art, shows like cinema. Let's unbox the Cube 2 Pro and see its minimal, elegant style. This time we use biodegradable materials and simple printing for a greener choice. Here's our slogan, "You happy, I happy." It's our way of saying we want to be happy together with Wanbo. Small choices bring happier moments. Inside the box you'll find everything you need. The projector, user menu, remote control, and power cable. AI visual tuning with TOF laser sensor. Equipped with TOF laser sensor, Cube 2 Pro delivers real-time, effortless autofocus and Keystone correction. Just place it anywhere and enjoy a sharp, perfectly corrected picture instantly. Easy to store design. Cube 2 Pro is more than a projector. It's an elegant piece of home decor. Designed with a striped book-like texture, it slips naturally into your shelf or adds a stylish touch to your desk. No extra parts, just a unified, easy-to-store design that fits effortlessly into your space. 230 Integrated Gimbal. With Cube 2 Pro's 230 Integrated Gimbal, you can enjoy the screen from your desk to the bedside, even onto the ceiling. Designed for protection, the U-shaped base easily folds inward to guard the lens and block dust buildup. Android TV 11. Powered by Android TV 11, Cube 2 Pro gives you access to 7,000 plus apps, such as Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. With Voice Assistant built in, you just speak and start watching. Built-in Chromecast lets you cast from your phone with simple taps, making photo and video sharing easier than ever. 500 ANSI lumens. With ultra-high 500 ANSI lumens, Cube 2 Pro keeps every scene crisp and clear. Projection size. Cube 2 Pro scales flexibly from 40 to 130 inches, even in a super tiny room. Cube 2 Pro gives you a clear 40 screen from just 1.2 meter. Perfect for bedrooms, studios, or any small rooms. Want a bigger scene? Go up to 130 and turn any room into your own theater. Independent speaker mode. When the lens is turned off, it can function as a standalone speaker. Other features. Running at just 28 decibels per meter, Cube 2 Pro stays whisper quiet, so your late-night movies won't disturb family or roommates. Ready to match it to your space? Pick from 3 colors to match your vibe. As the first easy-to-store Android TV projector, Cube 2 Pro brings simplicity, elegance, and unlimited joy to your life.